Hello everyone, this is Teacher Juvie and I will be your guide for today's lesson.
Okay, so let's now have this example. Add 1/4 plus 2 over 6. So since they are dissimilar fraction, the first step is to get their LCD. So paano? Gamit tayo ng continuous division, 4 and 6, the denominators. Then think of a number na we can divide 4 and 6. So we can divide them by 2. So 2 and 3. Then di ba dapat mag-end siya sa 1, 1? Since wala nang pwedeng i-divide sa 2 at 3, divide na lang natin siya muna by 2 to get 1. Then bring down 3. Then 3 divide by 3, bring down 1. So 3 divided by 3 is 1. Then multiply all the numbers on the left side. So 2 times 2 times 3. So that is equivalent to 12. So that means 12 is now the LCD. Sulat natin sa ilalim. Ito na ang kanyang panibagong denominator. So to get the new numerator or to express the fraction into equivalent fraction, we're going to divide 12 by the denominator 4, then the answer will be multiplied by 1. Again, 12 divided by 4 is 3, times mo sa 1, the answer is 3. Okay, next, 12 divided mo sa 6 ay 2, times 2, the answer is 4. So we now have the new numerators. Then, we can now proceed in adding similar fractions since they have the same denominator na. So 3 plus 4 ay 7, and then copy the same denominator which is 12. And don't forget to simplify your final answer. But in this case, 7 over 12 is already in simplified form. So this is now the final answer. Okay, so let's try another example. So we're going to subtract 3 over 5 minus 3 over 15. Again, similar siya ng pag-a-add ng dissimilar fraction. We're going to get the LCD using continuous division. So write the denominators, then use continuous division. So what number can be divided by 5 and 15? So the answer is 5. 5 divided by 5 is 1. And 15 divided by 5 ay 3. Okay, so may 1 na tayo dito. Isang 1 na lang hinahanap natin. So, we divide this by 3. So, bring down 1. Then, end ka sa 1. 1, 1. Then, after natin mag-end sa 1, 1, multiply the numbers on the left side. So, 5 times 3 is 15. Therefore, the LCD is 15. So, write 15 below the fraction bar. Then, to get the new numerator, divide 15 divided by 5, then multiply by 3. So, 15 divided mo sa 5 is 3 times 3. So, the answer is 9. The next 15 divided by 15 is 1 times 3. So, the answer is 3. Then, proceed on subtracting similar fraction. So, just subtract the numerator. 9 minus 3 is 6. And copy the same denominator. Then, don't forget to express your answer into lowest term. So, 6 over 15. So, pwede pa siyang i-lowest term. Hahanapin natin ang lowest term using continuous division. Pero ang kukunin natin is the GCF. Okay, continuous division. So, saan pwedeng i-divide ng 6 at 15? Sa 3. So, 2 and 15 divided by 3 ay 5. So, therefore, the GCF is 3. Divide this by 3 to get the simplified answer. 6 divided by 3 ay 2. And 15 divided by 3 ay 5. Therefore, the final answer is 2 over 5.
Thanks for watching this video. Hit like if you learned from this video and don't forget to subscribe on my channel. Thank you so much.